All right, so we're in Adobe Photoshop here, and I'm going to show you how to get the color values of any pixel, really. So RGB, whichever one you need, CMYK. So we're going to pull down Window here to Info, and then you're going to have an info palette here. You see RGB and CMYK. So when you get over a pixel, they start jumping around, giving you the values. So what we can do here, you can press the hand tool, get them if you're looking for the pants, whatever. So that's very simple, but it does get a little bit better. Panel options, and now for the second readout, this is going to be whatever color mode you're in, uh, RGB, CMYK, whatever. Uh, I guess you can change that, but second color one. So if you're looking for a web color, this is really cool. It can give you that like 87B 5 EA. That's awesome. So you can get web colors. I mean, obviously whatever, lab color, grayscale. So yeah, you can pick and choose, which is it's really powerful because you can if you need to match something. I got to match some other blue here. Well, let's go get an average or let's go do that. So this is where it's at. One of those things if super simple now that you know, I'm sure. So hopefully that helped. If it did, let me know in a comment or a like. Thanks.